tried everything and you're still dealing with pet odors. I mean, you've tried it to the point that it keeps coming back and you've done all that you can do. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that you're probably doing wrong that's preventing you from getting rid of the pet odor and smells. And so if you're new here, welcome. My name is Amber, and on this channel we talk a lot about house cleaning tips and how-tos to help you save time and money. So consider subscribing. So the first things you want to do that you're probably not doing the best of the best, and that's okay. I'm a pet owner too, I have 2 cats, and this is something that I had to learn on my own, is you want to make sure that if it's a soiled area that you clean it right away. I mean, literally clean it, not just like lazily do it, or you just properly didn't know the steps to getting it done right. So if that's something you're struggling with, you can go ahead and check out this video. I literally break it down on how to remove pet stains and odors on your carpet and upholstery. So check that out. The second thing that you're probably doing wrong, and this might be because of miseducation, using steam cleaners to clean the soiled area, when actually you need to blot and remove the soiled area first. So when you're using that steam cleaner, it's actually doing more harm than good. What it's doing is, especially if you don't clean the soiled area first, and you just like, I'm gonna use a steam cleaner and clean this, don't do that. Because what it's doing is it's kind of permanently setting or staining your carpet in a way that the man-made fibers, the heat is sinking it in to stay in there. So it's like even harder to remove that ammonia-based urine that comes from our pets, you know, feces or urine. So it's just a lot of miseducation out there, but definitely avoid using a steam cleaner. The third thing that you're probably doing wrong to prevent those stinky pet odors, using ammonia-based cleaners. Now, so when you're purchasing something, it's important to kind of educate yourself a little bit on what you're using in your home. I always recommend less chemicals or more eco-friendly cleaners or compounds to help get the job done. And so you want to make sure you're using an enzyme cleaning product or solution to get the job done. Ammonia-based only reactivates the smell and brings on a little bit more bacteria than you like. And what I've learned is with ammonia-based products, it actually kind of reinforces our pets' instincts to kind of command dominance over an area for reason why they mark in the first place, and it reinforces them to remark that area with their urine or whatever. So just keep that in mind when you're buying products. Even if you do DIYs, learn a little bit more about those things. And so I hope that you get a lot of value out of this video, and it helps to kind of reframe your mind on products that you're using or methods that you're using to get rid of those pet stains and odors. So I hope that you got a lot of value out of this video, and in the meantime, share it with someone else who can definitely benefit from them, because you may not even know how much this information can be saving someone else in their home and removing that pet odors and stains. So in the meantime, I hope to see you in the next video. Stay blessed, not stressed. Take care.